Guys, so today we will learn how to create interactive navigation tabs. Let's get started. So first we have our text over here, for which we will create it under auto layout, and we will create it as a component. But before that, I'll just give some spacing, and now let's create it as a component. So once we have it as a component, now we'll create two variants for this, where one is the by default, the second one is the hover, and the third one is the active one. Okay, so we'll create the three states and we'll give them different colors for each of the states. So home is the first one is the default, second this is one is the hover state. I'll add some fill around it, and I will make the third one as active one. For this I'll change the colors, and I will also alter its font weight so that looks different when someone is on this particular is on the active state basically. Okay, so now we are done with this. Now after this we will go on to our assets panel. We'll bring back our main component, and now I'll create a copy of this. You can achieve it by clicking on Alt and then dragging it, or you can also do it by, for the shortcut is Ctrl plus D. So whichever you're comfortable with, you can do it. I will create these 5 navigation tabs, and I will make different names for each of these, and I'll add some horizontal space around it, and I will create it as an auto layout, and then I will make it as a component. So once we are there, we will give this a different color so that it is different than the background. Yeah, so now we have this color, and I will now just bring this asset which we have created. Earlier we missed creating the prototype, so for the first one we'll make it as while hovering, and it will have the smart animate, and we'll give some more option. When for the second one we'll make it as a click, so once someone clicks on the hover state, they will just go on to the active one while clicking it. So once we have achieved this, and now we will go on to I'll add some more space because currently it looks very compact. Now we are done with this. Now we'll go on to the prototyping screen. So I think now if we hover on this, then we are able to achieve what we wanted to, but there is one more tweak that we can do on this screen. So let's go back to our main design file and go back to the prototyping. So for the last one, the active state, we'll add the prototype here, where on clicking on this we'll go on to our default state. So we'll be able to achieve all the 3 states while clicking or while holding on the screen. So this is how you can create an interactive tab, navigation tab. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe for more. Thank you.